Amazon shoppers, if you have a GE fridge that has a water filtration system in it, you're going to need to replace your water filters every once in a while. These ones here are the XWFE GE water filters. Now there's lots of benefits for making sure that the filter in your fridge is up to date. One, your fridge is going to run more efficiently. Two, these filters do their job for a lot of different things. I'm just going to give you a close-up of the box to show you what it is that these filters do. First of all, this is what this filter is going to do right here. It's going to improve the taste of your water. It's also going to reduce any odor if you have a high mineral content in your water. Look at here. Also certified to reduce chlorine, chloramine, taste and odor, BPA, PFOAs, PFOSs, and B pharmaceuticals. Those are the reasons right there you want to make sure that the water filter in your fridge is up to date and fully functioning. Also take a look at this. That's what it does. And that's what you can use it for. Now these ones here are GE Fit compatible, which means that they are going to work with your GE fridge. What does it look like out of the box? Let's open it up and see. Well, actually, there's a picture right there of what it looks like on the side of the box. Here is a brand new XWFE filter. Now the filter life on these is about 6 months, so you really only have to replace these twice a year unless you have a lot of usage. So if you drink a lot of water directly out of the fridge, you're probably going to want to change this more than twice a year, but if you're just an average user, you only need to replace this once every 6 months. Now, as far as how do you replace these? Well, you take it out of the box for starters, and now you're going to remove the plastic that's on the side here. Now, on my particular fridge, right up here is a little capsule that I just squeeze like this with both sides of my hand, just like that, and it comes down. The next step is to just pull it down like this, and then I can twist it to release it and pull it out. That's all it takes to change the filter. Now you want to be careful because water can definitely come out from here. Then I'm going to put the new filter in just like this. Make sure you line up the two holes properly. Now there's only one way you can actually get it in like this. Give it a twist, push it back up into the holster, close it, and your filter has been changed. It is absolutely one of the easiest filters I've ever had to replace as far as fridge water filters. I love that it just clicks into place, not a lot of twisting or maneuvering required, and it makes having nice, freshly filtered water super easy. If you want to make sure your fridge is functioning at top efficiency, this XWFE is GE Fit certified for the side-by-side and bottom freezer refrigerators, and it makes changing water filters super easy. Definitely a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.